Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve a twist with crochet in the back and singles in the front. So if it's something you're looking forward to see how I achieve it, then you want to consider watching this video to the end, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. I went ahead to divide the hair where I'm going to be doing the single twist all around, and in the middle is where I'm going to be doing the crochet. So I'm going to single twist the hair all around using pre-stretch expression here, and the same size like the crochet braid that we are going to crochet twist that I'm going to be putting in the middle. So just watch me as I go along. You're going to see everything step by step and how I achieve this beautiful style.
Working out with her, no way. I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your back like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn, 100 miles on the 90. Gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rocket, I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gonna shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all lie when they know the truth. So I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop.
This is how the single twist is going to be all around, and I'm going to show you how I'll be doing the middle part to achieve the crochet in the middle. But first I'm going to do a one single cornrow going round. You're going to see the way I'm going to achieve it, just doing a cornrow all round. That way when I crochet the hair, it's not going to be showing like it's crochet in the middle. If she like want to put her hair in a bun, it's going to look like her hair have twists all over the hair.
Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys. So to achieve the one single cornrow in the back, I connected the two cornrows that I first cornrow on her hair to make it the one single cornrow, and now I'm just going to do the rest coming all back, and that's how the hairstyle is going to be looking, guys. So it's very simple. Like I said, now I'm just going to crochet the
twist all on these cornrows.
I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rock, and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all lie when they know the truth. Hey, I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Namaste. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the...
And this is the last crochet twist that I'm doing, and it all came out so nice, guys. You can't even know that we have crochet in the middle and twist in the front. So when she put her hair all in the bun, no one will even know that it's a crochet in the middle. But first we are going to put it into a half up and a half down. That way after like 1 week or two, she can then style her hair into any style that she wants. So when you do a hairstyle like this, you don't want to go immediately and just style it, because that way it's going to break your edges, guys. So you want to keep it for some weeks for it to relax, and before you can do whatever you want to do on your hair. And with this you can style it in so many ways. Like you have so many styles that you can style your hair, but first leave it to cool down for a week or two before you can manipulate anything on your hair to protect your edges. Thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos like this, and leave down your comment on any style that you would love to see me do on my channel, and share it with your friends and family. That way everyone can benefit from this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.